7682 Juliet, altitude restriction deleted.
You're returning back to 4,500 Papa Juliet.
It's 4290, continue taxi. Alpha Star 47, turn right after 5, taxi to parking, remain on frequency.
Sierra Bravo has 04.
Finger 9330 Sierra Bravo, cleared, visual approach only 6. Contact Berlin, South 19.9, have a great day.
For the visual 699 Sierra Bravo, 4. Please Birmingham, Finger 9330 Sierra Bravo, 4.
And tower 1 altitude parking parking. Sierra Bravo. That's 2438, turn right heading 110, runway 6, clear takeoff. 2438. 84290, runway 6, clear to takeoff, traffic, Super King Air, 4 mile final. Delta 2438, contact departure. Clear.
Departure Delta 2438 with passing 2300 for 4,000.
Delta 2438, Birmingham departure. Radar contact, turn right heading 170, climb maintain 10,000, 10,000.
Right turn 170, up to 10,000, Delta 2438.
Phenom 896 Juliet Hotel, which runway and how long for radio? 84290, contact departure. Sure. Airport as filed. On departure, clear direct, Mike Bravo Echo Lima, I'll maintain 4,000. Expect flight level 33010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 123.8, spark 5725.
Departure AC 4290 is 2 for 4,000.
AC 4290 around departure, radar contact, turn right heading 180, climb maintain 10,000,
180.
Phenom 2 Juliet Hotel, you were stepped down, read back to altitude.
That's my inside.
2 Juliet Hotel, read back is correct. And release for departure, clearance void of not all in 5 minutes. Traffic PA 28 is 10 miles north of the field inbound. And device Delta 2438, clear direct gump.
Direct to Gulf, Delta 2438.
AC 4290, turn right direct exit.
Right turn direct exit,
Turn right to Juliet, advise Cessna 4 site, 12 o'clock 109. Turn right to Juliet. Traffic is a Phenom, departing runway 5. Radar service terminate, park VFR, and device restricted.
So that we'll be looking for Phenom, and welcome to run a transfer to my Sierra Papa Juliet.
Delta 2438, contact Atlanta 132.2000. AC 4290, contact Atlanta 132.2000.
32 on the quarter, report.
Flight 135, Hub Foxtrot, Birmingham approach. November 7682 Juliet, altitude restriction deleted.
We're returning back to 4,000 Papa Juliet.
It's 4290, continue taxi. Alpha Star 47, turn right after 5, taxi to parking, remain in frequency.
West, 47. Sierra Bravo has 04.
Finger 9330 Sierra Bravo, cleared, visual approach only 6. Contact Berlin, South 19.9, have a great day.
For the visual 699 Sierra Bravo, 4. It is Birmingham, the King Air 933 Sierra Bravo, visual runway 6.
Birmingham Tower, runway 6, clear to land. 1 possibly 2 departure private route. Sierra Bravo. Delta 2438, turn right heading 110, runway 6, clear to takeoff. 84290, runway 6, clear to takeoff, traffic, Super King Air, 4 mile final. Delta 2438, contact departure.
Departure Delta 2438, which passing 2300 for 4,000.
Delta 2438, Birmingham departure. Radar contact, turn right heading 170, climb maintain 10,000, 10,000.
Right turn 170, up to 10,000, Delta 2438.
Phenom 896 Juliet Hotel, which runway and how long for you? 84290, contact departure. Sure. Airport as filed. On departure, clear direct, Mike Bravo Echo Lima, I'll maintain 4,000. Expect flight level 33010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 123.8, spark 5725. AC 4290 around departure, radar contact, turn right heading 180, climb maintain 10,000, 10,000.
180.
Phenom 2 Juliet Hotel, you were set down, read back down.